Did you know this small blue ring on a wire can protect your entire circuit? This is called a ferrite core. It looks very simple, but it does a very important job. When electricity flows through a wire, it does not carry only power, it also carries high-frequency noise. That noise can disturb your circuit and cause problems. You may notice unstable voltage, noise in speakers, screen flickering, or even random reset issues. This ferrite core blocks high-frequency noise, but it allows normal power to pass smoothly. That means your circuit works more stable and clean. You can find this small component inside SMPS power supplies, TVs, amplifiers, computers, and many other electronic devices. If your device has strange noise or interference problems, do not ignore this small part. Sometimes a tiny component like this makes a big difference.